I actually didn't know that Shruti was in the film until like 1 week before the shoot. I didn't know Shruti was in the film.
In the narrative of this story especially, it's by any means. The experience of X Life was really like that. It ticked a lot of boxes for me in terms of, is it different?
He actually called me the day before, the day he found out or something, and said, "Hey, dude, you can still change. You know, it's okay if you don't want me."
Yeah, because
it's okay.
It's like,
how bigger is the responsibility when you have Prabhas, Deepika, Amitabh Bachchan in one film? If you were to write a Tinder bio for Sanjit, what would it read?
That's a good one.
How would you experience your kiss with Shruti Hassan in one word?
Oh, nice.
gotcha, guys.
Welcome, guys, on Bollywood Hungama.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Congratulations. Really enjoyed X Life. Very futuristic and interesting as well. So, Shruti, how can love save the world?
It can always save the world. If there's anything that will save this world, it is love. It is the only thing that makes us human.
And that too at times by destroying love.
Well, yeah. Jeez, Farid, calm down. Pehle itna aise shuru kiya. I thought you're my friend.
Rapid fire.
Yeah, I guess because it's so important in the narrative of this story especially, it's by any means, you know.
Right. All right. Okay. So, Nag, there is this important statement that Sanjit makes during the beginning of the film, and he talks about how the various devices, they have actually captured the human mind. It's so true of our present existence as well. We have become captives of our mobile phones and various apps, and we're totally, maybe in many ways, disconnected from the real world. A lot of people, they are. Is that reference from real life as well?
It's completely from real life. It's basically by just observing what's happening in my own life and around me also. On a personal level, we are definitely a little more disconnected from the people who are immediately around us than we are to people who are in a social media or people whom we don't really know. And on a bigger societal level also, we are disconnected from problems that we used to be empathetic towards each other, and to problems of our neighbors, to problems of people from different parts of the country or whatever. It's just because we're all sort of stuck in one sort of reward loop which social media and these phones give us. So it's definitely from real life.
Social Dilemma came on Netflix. It also talks about the fact that everything that you're doing, it is being recorded, and you are being sent similar sort of maybe enslavements or temptations in your life, and you don't even realize that. So has that reference also been taken?
I mean, I saw that film during the lockdown. We were already supposed to shoot this before, and the movie got stopped because of the lockdown, and then we postponed it by a few months. So in that gap, I got to see the Social Dilemma also. And it just reinforced a lot of the ideas that I had, because it was a very straight documentary, very direct and mathematical about like how these things work, how these apps work, how these companies think. So
The algorithms.
The algorithms and all of that. So it just reinforced a lot of the things which I was just thinking on my own.
Of course. Now, Sanjit, it is confession time now.
Okay.
So you have to tell us honestly that one of the biggest reasons for doing X Life was the fact that you'll be romancing Shruti Hassan.
I actually didn't know that Shruti was in the film until like 1 week before the shoot. I didn't know Shruti was in the film.
I was
So
the
you didn't know.
last to come on board, actually.
I mean, of the two, she was the last to come on board.
All right. Okay. But when you came to know about it, what was your response like?
Actually kind of scared. I was like,
Why?
I don't know, it's Shruti Hassan and I don't know how to act. So doing this entire thing, I don't know, it didn't feel like, it was...
But it was fine when we met.
It was fine when
Please
we
say
met.
that.
Yeah, it was fine when we met. Yeah, it was awesome when we met. But yeah, there wasn't a reason, like I wouldn't say that I did it because of that or anything.
He actually called me the day before,
Yeah.
the day he found out or
Yeah.
something, and said, "Hey, dude, you can still change. You know, it's okay if you don't want me."
Yeah, because
it's okay.
it's like
So he was, he was honest that way.
All right, and what was your response, Shruti? You work with the likes of Allu Arjun and the biggest of superstars, and he's a guy who's, I think, apparently is supposed to be younger than you in the
Well,
film.
that's a
Yeah.
bit hard to fake otherwise. Isn't it? No, I mean, for me, I've worked with like very, very many different kinds of people in my career. But yes, predominantly very established male co-stars. I was saying this in another interview as well. What happens, Faridun, after a while of, like, you know, when you've been around 8 years, 10 years, you kind of fall into a loop or a pattern of your own, where you kind of analyze your own character, you expect the other actor to come with their own kind of point of view, then you meet, and it's kind of jaded after a point, and we're just trying to reignite this feeling of creating this character every time, because once, you know, you've gone down the path so many times, it's a pattern, it's a habit. So for me, it was really exciting to work with someone who's completely new to the medium as well, because it kind of changed my approach as well. So I'm very thankful for it, really.
All right, now the interesting part is that this is something that many people, they don't realize it, but this entire fascination with technology, this artificial intelligence, and we are increasingly going to be dependent on that, and one can't take away from that. But as you so rightly tell in your film, that there is no such thing as having a good meal with your loved ones in an open sky. Nothing can compensate for that, and you can't put a price on that. How important is it for maybe the humanity to really take cognizance of that, and why is it so difficult to understand?
I mean, I think deep down we can't forget that. I think that's what really makes human beings resonate. But what we do forget, if we are distracted enough, is the empathy. But we can always remember it. It just takes that little connection or a little bit of love or that one person or an incident for us to remember. But I feel there is a profit for some corporations or for somebody if they make us forget that. So I think it's always that balance. There's nothing wrong with technology. It's just a tool. It's just people who are using it as a way to trap some people. That's all.
All right, Sanjit, tell us something about the body language of your character and the way he approaches people. He's slightly gawky at times. Maybe he doesn't realize that he may be having an awkward impact on people. And even though he's so young, but he is ruthless, and he's convincingly ruthless.
Yeah, I guess so. Every time I try to look at Vic in a particular way, like I used to ask him, should I play it like this? Should I play him like this? Shouldn't he be doing? Now he's like, no, just do what you would do. So it was entirely like that. Whatever you say, like now you guys have been telling me the nervous energy, I never felt it. I was just like, that's how I am. So I just played the character the way I would play me if I was
Vic.
All right. Now, Shruti Hassan, you've been part of big blockbusters. You've been around for some time. You're beautifully, I think, just reimagining yourself and your career as well. How important is it for you to understand the fact that there are new mediums which are coming up? The OTT is something which is a reality one can't take away from it. You are rising beyond maybe those big numbers that you've been part of, those flashy like 500 dancers and you dancing in the Alps maybe.
Oh gosh, I don't like. That's never something I celebrate. But you know, for me, I really love that you use the word reimagining, because that's really what this phase feels like for me, you know. And it started like before the pandemic, and the pandemic was the full stop in the sentence I was completing for myself. You know, we've met during that time where I was like, Faridun, I'm not signing anything right now. I'm focusing on my music. And I'm so thankful that you were one of the only people who supported me through that journey as well. To come out today for us to be talking on this platform and you saying, okay, I can see your journey and I can see that you've done it. So I'm really happy to say that whether it's a big film, big ticket film or commercial or whatever name you want to give it, or an alternative entertainment platform like Netflix, I'm just really having the best time that I've ever had personally and professionally. It's a bit silly that it took me 11 years to get here, but hey, some of us, have a slower engine, I guess. I don't know.
No, I don't think so. You started early as well.
Yeah, I
And it's a
suppose it was
privilege.
just such a journey, and now I carry the experience but not the baggage, and I feel like reborn and renewed to try as many things. And for me, the experience of X Life was really like that. It ticked a lot of boxes for me in terms of, is it different? Yes. Is it unexpected? Yes. Is it the director? You're like, yes. Is it produced well? Yes. Are people see when you do films that are different, or content that's different, or short films that are different? What tends to happen is it's lovely, but people don't see it. But with a platform like this, people get to see it. And then do you get a young happening hero? Yes. So all my boxes were ticked.
Right, and as far as your music is concerned, it's a privilege to listen to your music. And Rapid Fire with Nag. What, according to you, is the practical way one can stop technology from affecting one's lives?
Don't pick up or connect to technology for the first 2 hours after you get up.
When you imagine the future, what scares you the most about it?
Apathy. Like, if there's general apathy in society, that scares me.
What technology, if it is invented, will be helpful for a lot of directors?
I don't know.
A fully bound script?
Fully bound script. Yeah, I don't know, like a fake AI bouncing board. Like, is this idea good, AI?
Oh, that's a great idea.
Alexa, can
If
the
you-
hero go? Sorry.
If using technology, you could read the mind of any celebrity, who would that be?
The ones you're going to work with, maybe.
Yeah, sure. Like my cast. Who would that be really? I don't know. Maybe Mr. Modi. Is he a celebrity? Yeah. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'd like to
there we
read his
go.
mind.
He's a very,
I'd want to read his mind for sure.
yeah.
How bigger is the responsibility when you have Prabhas, Deepika, Amitabh Bachchan in one film?
More than the cast, it's always the story I feel responsible for. Like, if even with Savitri Garu's story, my responsibility was always to her story, to Savitri Garu. So the first day when the movie released, I was always like, damn, what if it doesn't work and people feel that why did he touch that story? So that was my fear. So even now, it's not so much about the actors as much as if it's like, why did he do that story? Like, somebody else, I don't know. I think the story would be a bigger responsibility.
How is it shaping up?
It's coming out slowly good. I hope it's good. A lot of pre-production.
How do you look at the future of OTT platforms?
I think it's obviously here to stay, and I don't know about the future. I can't predict, but I really hope it's going to make people think very laterally. Like just make stuff that you wouldn't probably do or think about at all, like rather than just safe stuff.
If you can please complete the following sentences. Something about Shruti Hassan I wish every actor had.
Sense of humor, I think. She's really funny, and we end up laughing a lot even through these interviews and even through very hectic schedules.
My film with Prabhas, Deepika, Amitabh Bachchan will shatter all records
Of our imagination.
Imagination. But you feel that it's a deadly combination. People are excited.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a dream combination in terms of the cast on board, and that's what I definitely like the cast, but it's just really the story. Like, at the end of the day, these three people doing these three roles in the story is more exciting for me than just the actors.
Of course, if there was technology by using which you can get 100% honest answer from the person, what question you would want to ask the following people? Shruti Hassan.
I think she's pretty honest. I don't think I need a honest thing. Very rarely, at least so far, I don't see her being politically correct or anything of that sort. She's very straightforward in terms of why are we doing this? Why should we do, or can we do it? So not for a truth detector for Shruti, I don't know.
Sanjit Hegde.
What's on your mind, Sanjit?
Yeah.
What's on your mind?
Deepika Padukone.
I don't know that. I don't know. I'll maybe tell you in a few months. Like, if I have to, if I need a truth detector for Deepika.
Prabhas.
Prabhas is like, is he tense? Because he never looks tense. With all these things I want, he's so chilled out. I'm like, but deep down, are you tense? Like, I want to know. Like, but he's super chilled out. Like,
Amitabh Bachchan.
Sir, like, how do you just have so much time to do so much work? And how do you find so much time to do so? I want to know how he works so much even at this point in his career.
How would you react to this YouTube comment on Pitta Katula trailer, Vaibhav Raj? Wow, a science fiction genre story. Looks like Nag Ashwin is going to show us a teaser for Prabhas's film.
Yeah, I mean, it's very different, not at all connected in terms of genre actually. I mean, sci-fi is such a actually a very broad genre. Like it could mean so many things. Like it could be in space, it could be aliens, it could be in the future, it could be a time machine in the past, it could be anything. Parallel universes, superheroes. Like it could mean anything. So this particular sci-fi and that particular sci-fi have nothing in common.
No, but I must compliment the production quality in the film. I think is really top notch. It's really impressive.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll move to Shruti now. So rapid fire with Shruti Hassan.
Awesome.
One disadvantage of a growing technology that you experience in your day-to-day life.
I literally think that my eyesight has deteriorated. like my eyesight and my neck position, posture, eyesight, sleep, they've all been affected. So yeah, for sure.
If you could invent any one technology, what would that be?
If there was a volume knob on people, so I could literally turn them down, or a logic communicator, a device where you can key in the logic and their binary code and their brain will understand logic. That would be great.
I hope a lot of people listen to that. We will be saved. If you were to write a Tinder bio for Sanjit, what would it read?
That's a good one.
Lots of hair, don't care. Just kidding, I really do.
Lots of hits, man.
How would you describe the difference between desire and lust?
Both are motivated by different things. I think lust is more primal, and I think desire is more articulated and thought out.
If all the electronic gadgets in your house stopped working, how would you spend that day?
With my cat. Yeah, really. It's just me and Clara would be fine.
One reason every actor should work with Nag Ashwin at least once.
Oh my God, really? This is such a good question. No, really. He's really communicative in the best way possible. Like he's so collaborative, and he's very chill, but never to a point where you think he doesn't care. He's like super intense at what he's doing, but never at a point where you're like, oh my God. So he's just such a balanced director to work with in his entirety.
If using any technology you could read your boyfriend's mind, what is the first thing you'd want to know?
I don't want to read the boyfriend's mind. He can learn to communicate. Communication is key. You know what? Women have been inventing this technology in our head for a long time. Where we imagine we can read a boyfriend's mind. We can't. Just communicate. That's enough.
That's interesting. How would you react to following in one word? Future technology.
I mean, technology is the present, it was the past, and it will continue to grow and be, scary and exciting.
Relationship without emotions.
A relationship without emotions, it can exist in the sense that if it's, with a very common goal that both people have to reach, which are not motivated by emotion but motivated by reaching the goal, it can exist.
Shruti Hassan without music.
I would be a very sad soul. Yes, I'd be a probably okay person, but my soul would be empty.
What do you admire the most about these co-stars of yours? Allu Arjun.
Really one of the most dedicated and sincere people. And very, very hardworking beyond what is required of him.
Sanjeet Hegde.
I really like his sincerity and energy towards even situations that are challenging to him. He takes it in a positive way with humility. And I think that's what's helped him achieve so much at this age and will continue to.
Mahesh Babu.
Really graceful, poised, and I had the best time working with him, so really good energy.
Ravi Teja.
He's like so special to me in the sense that, also because we're like the, wonderful hit pair 2 times in a row. But he's been very kind to me, Faridun, that's the truth. I worked with him when I was very young and I didn't understand the business and how to communicate with people. He could have approached me with the position of ego or superiority. He didn't. He always had kindness and compassion in his heart for me. So when I worked with him again in Crack, he was more like a proud relative who'd seen this girl start out with all these issues and like fix herself, and he had that pride and love. So working with Ravi Garu again was really, he has a very special place in my heart.
All right, so that was spectacular. Moving on to Sanjeet now. Rapid fire with Sanjeet. What is something you could what is something you could do in your virtual reality world in Pitta Katalu you wish you could do in your real life?
Rapid means rapid.
I don't know. Maybe like when I can tune myself out and move to another dimension or another world. I wish I could do that. And just stop everyone from looking at me. Yeah.
What app, if ever built, would have disastrous impact on humankind according to you?
Something which, coming from me, something which, I don't know, dude. Honestly, you have to ask these guys. I can't think of anything clever, or generally I can't think of anything. Like,
See, this is the honesty that he brought out of character.
Yeah.
I don't know what would destroy humankind.
Violence, war,
Baby selling apps.
baby selling apps.
There already exists such apps, but
Actually,
alright.
really?
no, fine.
Yeah, I mean,
okay, we're going
if
in
apps
very
could destroy
dark
the world-
turns.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
We will move on. How would you describe your first ever acting experience in a hashtag?
Hashtag don't know what's happening.
How would you experience your kiss with Shruti Hassan in one word?
Burning.
Yeah, that. Too much mouthwash, bro.
Minty.
Minty and burning.
How do you think the singer-composer in you helped you prepare for this role?
Oh, he also scored the thing, by the way.
Me and a friend of mine called Surya Praveen, we scored the thing. Yeah, I think that's how I took the, like, as when I asked him if I could act, I mean, when he asked me if, if I want to be a part of it, my first reaction was, can I do music to this? So every step of the way, my head was with the music. Even like with Shruti, that's what we spoke about. So every step of the way, that's what kept me composed or whatever I did.
If someone hacks your phone, which folder you wouldn't want them to open?
The one where I've written a bunch of songs, because then they're gonna steal it.
Oh, nice.
Got you guys, not what you thought.
No. Oh, I have nothing clever to say, I believe.
He's been saving it.
A quality of Shruti Hassan you would want to see in your girlfriend?
My girlfriend.
None. He can't handle it.
Yeah. No, I think the fact that she has everything together, she doesn't need a helping hand. Just that would just make it easier for me.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I am distraught enough as a person. I do not need another.
All people in the world, they are nothing but data points, says your character. What does he mean by that?
That they are data points and you can calculate everything.
I can't with this guy.
No, that they are. Like you can like figure what everyone wants to do and what everyone is through maths.
Okay, if there was a technology by using which you can get 100% honest answers from the person, what question you would want to ask following people? Nag Ashwin, if you have to ask the question to Nag Ashwin.
Are you secretly losing your mind when
Yeah,
you're
man.
actually, because he's like the most calm person I know and it scares me how calm he is. So I want to be that guy, so I want to like extract that information from you, like truthfully, because I don't think you're that. Yeah.
Shruti Hassan, if you have to ask a question to Shruti.
How do you do 2000 things and still end up being happy? Because I do one thing and I'm unhappy. How do you, like, you do 2000 things, she sings like a boss, she acts, she does this, she's a celebrity and like this entire thing, I don't know how you do it. So I'm pretty sure there's a routine which you, or I don't know, something to it. So I would love to know that.
Prabhas.
How do you take the pressure of, I don't know, 7 billion people looking at you and just expecting so much from you? Everything you do, there's an expectation, and how do you just end up not thinking about it so much and doing what you want to do?
How would you react to this YouTube comment on the Pitta Katalu trailer?
It's
Comment
not-
by
it's not-
Rupali R.
Yes.
Sanjit, you rock. A lot of K's after that. With your song, dialogues, and a lot of D in that. Acting, a lot of exclamations after that. Oof, a lot of exclamations after that. Our multi-talented boy, lots of emojis after that, including heart emojis.
Oh.
Grateful, thank you for That's another thing about Shruti I learned, about how grateful she is to everything, like every person. Like, yeah, I'm really grateful. Like, I genuinely thank these guys who whichever corner of the world they're writing from. Thank you. I'm reading your comment and I'm happy.
No, Faridun's reading it. You're hearing it.
Yes, sorry. I am hearing your comment and I love it. Thank you.
He seems to be in the character.
He's the character.
He's still infatuated. मतलब मरने के बाद भी मोहब्बत उनकी खत्म नहीं होती. All right, so thank you very much. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thank you,
Thank you.
All the best wishes for the film. I'm sure that you guys are going to be getting a great response for this.
Thank you.
So
Thank
all the
you so
best
much.
and thank you for talking to us. Lovely talking
Bye.
to you.
Thanks so
Bye,
much.
Faridun.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.